I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the Desktop Teams app and a signed-in account. Once you have that, open Teams and click your profile picture at the top right. From the drop-down, choose Settings, then General. This is the earliest actionable step. You're directly where theme controls live. Make sure the app is updated so the options appear. If you aren't seeing General, check that you aren't in the web client. Now that Settings right arrow General is open, move on to selecting the actual theme. You can now pick Default, Dark, or High Contrast from the Theme section. Choose Dark to reduce glare during low-light work or High Contrast to boost legibility for accessibility. Once you click a theme, Teams applies it immediately so you can see the difference right away. That immediate feedback helps you evaluate which option suits your workflow. If you use multiple monitors or different lighting, try each briefly to compare. Remember why you're switching: comfort, battery, or readability. Once you pick a theme, scan your chat windows and a meeting view to confirm the look is consistent across the app. If something looks off, make sure Teams is fully updated and that you use the desktop client rather than the browser. If theme options are missing or changes don't stick, sign out, quit Teams, clear the cache, then restart and sign back in. That usually restores settings. If problems persist, update the app or reinstall. Those steps resolve most stubborn theme issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.